Okay, hey y'all, I'm outside doing hurricane cleanup, and right over here I had a Mexican sunflower tip over, so I pulled it up out of the ground. This is what I ripped out of the ground over here. And I'm going to replace it with one of my Seabreeze Bamboo plants. Now this Seabreeze Bamboo plant down below, I got a video of when I separated it and potted it. I just want to show you something. It's only been about 2 or 3 months. You see these roots? They're coming out of the bottom of this pot. That's how quick those roots grow. So I'm going to go ahead and plant it right here in the center of my chicken coop, because I wanted to give shade like that big one over there on this side so the sun don't hit the coop. Okay, so I dug it out, and you can see I tilled the soil. The soil is nice and loose. Right over here is the center of the coop, and I want it lined up like right around here, so I got walking room to go through there and over here. So I'm going to plant it right here. The Mexican sunflower was over there. Okay, hopefully I can get it out of this pot. During the hurricanes, this tipped over, so I put this PVC pipe in there to hold it up a little bit. Those roots are long. I don't know if I'll be able to get them out with the roots. I'll try. They might pull through. See if I can push it down in. Okay, look at all these roots all the way around coming out the bottom. I'm gonna have to take a picture of that. Okay, let me dig this hole out a little bit more. Looks like it's gotta get a little bit rounder. Okay, now I'm going to take this and set it in the hole. Ugh. Like that. And I'll just take these roots and wrap them around, get them down low. Okay, I should probably put that down a little bit more. Okay, that looks good enough. Ugh, that looks better. Okay, there it is. It's right in the center of the coop, lined up nicely. I packed it in, put a little motor around. Now I'm going to fill that up with water, get it nice and wet. It looks like it's going to rain out. It was raining a few minutes ago. Okay, so here it is. Hey, if you like my video, give me a like, give me a share, subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell up above. You'll get to see how this progresses along with my other ones. And you'll also get to see how my hurricane cleanup is going. Remember, I got hundreds of videos down below on different subjects. Just tap that magnifying glass and do a search for bamboo or banana plants or garden or whatever you want, and you'll come up with some videos that I have. Talk to you soon.